Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best marshmallow roasting sticks on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Ajmyonsp Marshmallow Roasting Sticks for Fire Pit. When marshmallow roasting is an occasional treat rather than a regular event, these budget sticks will be the perfect companion. The set includes 5 sticks, and each has a colored ring between the handle and metal so everyone can pick a color they like. Though the tines on these sticks are close together and thin, our tester reported that they handled roasting hot dogs, sliced red peppers, quartered onions, and marshmallows with nothing falling off the stick during cooking. She appreciated the proximity of the tines for toasting even, brown marshmallows horizontally. She did note there was quite a bit of bend during the roasting and that the stick was on the shorter side, even when fully telescoped to 32 inches. Across all 5 trials, our tester noted that the handle remained cool and rotated easily for even cooking. She also liked that it was easy to adjust the size of the stick while toasting her marshmallows, helping control the level of browning. These roasting sticks collapse to 12 inches, so they shrink to a compact size for easy storage. For larger families or use for parties and events, the Ajmyonsp sets also come in larger quantities. Our tester reported that the sticks cleaned up easily in hot, soapy water, even after multiple marshmallows. When it's time to put the campfire supplies away, you can store them in the included canvas pouch for safekeeping. Number 2. Our second best pick is Jolly Green Extendable Rotating Marshmallow Roasting Sticks. No need to twist and turn your stick for the proper roasting with Jolly Green's telescoping sticks, because they are designed to rotate easily for toasty marshmallows every time. They have 2 tines that are set wide enough to spear a marshmallow on each, for twice the fun. Our tester noted that the U-shaped tines were sharp, but not dangerously so, and across 5 trials, including a hot dog, a quartered large onion, mushrooms, and marshmallows, the foods went on easily and stayed secure throughout roasting. She also reported that the sticks stayed firm across 5 trials with no bending at all, and the length was adequate to keep her far enough from the fire pit and avoid being overcome by smoke while cooking. Number 3. Our third best pick is Aoocan Marshmallow Roasting Sticks. The Aoocan Marshmallow Roasting Sticks were meant for a crowd. Everyone will be able to pick their favorite color and spot it easily, since these sticks have different colored handles. They telescope to 45 inches for safe roasting at a distance from the fire, and they shrink down to under 12 inches for easy storage when all of the fun roasting is done. These roasting sticks have 2 wide-set prongs so 2 marshmallows can easily be roasted side by side over a campfire, or even over your favorite grill or fire pit at home. Our tester put them through the trials, roasting 2 hot dogs at a time, then a deconstructed veggie kebab, and finally marshmallows. She reported that all food items were easy to load onto prongs and that the extra long 45 inches allowed her to relax far from the fire pit while still keeping all food items in the middle of the flames for efficient cooking. She noted that the handles stayed cool to the touch and that only the very end of the sticks got hot while cooking, so retracting them between roasts was simple. The sturdy construction kept the sticks rigid across all trials, and they cleaned up easily in hot, soapy water when finished. She also appreciated the included canvas zipper bag for easy storage until the next fire. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Flyparty Bamboo Marshmallow Roasting Sticks. These bamboo sticks are a full 30 inches long, making them a great choice for use around a campfire or at home in front of a fire pit. When you don't need quite that much length, these sticks are easy to snap or cut to a shorter length, if desired. Our tester loved the heft of these sticks for keeping hot dogs, mushrooms, and marshmallows secure across 5 trials. She reported that the tips were plenty sharp to spear all food items and that the stick was extremely sturdy in all tests, even with constant rotation. She did note that the length was on the shorter side and that the tips caught flame during each test. She reported that this was okay for marshmallows, however, since they have a relatively short cooking time, but the vegetables and hot dogs were more difficult, as she had to sit closer to the fire for a longer period of time. She appreciated the easy cleanup as she just threw them in the fire when finished, and there were still plenty left for the next round. This set includes 60 sticks, so there's plenty for backyard barbecues, parties, events, and good family bonding time as you make Smores. Not just for cooking, these sticks are also handy for crafts. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is BBQStyle Marshmallow Roasting Sticks. Made out of 18 by 8 304 premium stainless steel, these sticks are built to last, and they hold way more than just fluffy marshmallows. Plus, they are some of the longest roasting sticks we've found. After 5 trials, our tester reported that the BBQStyle sticks stayed rigid even while roasting heavier items like quartered onions. She appreciated that everything stayed secure on the sticks throughout each test, even with heavier foods. For marshmallows, the sticks stayed firm throughout toasting across 3 trials, even at the maximum load and length. Our tester loved the durable construction of this set and the comfortable, rubberized handles. She noted that the wide tines accommodate multiple food items but that they are a shade short, limiting how much you can load. This set includes 8 marshmallow roasting sticks along with a handy storage pouch to keep them neatly contained when they're not in use. The sticks have rubber handles in 2 different bright colors that add to the fun. Our tester reported that they cleaned up easily even after 5 hours of testing in a basin of hot soapy water. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.